Hello there, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm super excited to be bringing you guys another unboxing video. You can find more videos like that here in this playlist, and you can check that out or just let it run, whatever you want to do. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications button so you don't miss out on future videos for all natural, organic, vegan, whatever your ideals are. I bring that makeup to you and do all of the hard work doing the research on the ingredients and make sure that they're the best of the best and products that you can really trust. I do everything from really super affordable companies. I do those more often for obvious reasons, and more high-end ones like this today, which I am super excited to bring to you. So let's get right into it, and I'm really feeling the witchy vibes because our box today is from Rituel de Fille, and yeah, they have the most amazing ambiance and vibe to their products, so I'm feeling it. Wow, they tape this good. Okay, here we go. So excited. Alright, so here are the products. Okay, this first one I kind of just had to get. It's one of those things. It's their Inner Glow Cream Pigment in the color Eclipse. This is the famous anti-highlighter. I've been seeing people on Instagram use it everywhere on the face, on the eyes, on the lips, as a highlighter, an anti-highlighter, or as a blush, or as a contour. So it's just one of those things that I'm super excited to try. So here it is. And it just looks very dark. It's a nice compact though. There's a mirror in it. Okay, so that's actually pretty sheer. It does come off as like a very deep plum. Let's just try this as a bit of a contour and see how that goes. Wow, okay. I actually really like this as a contour. Let's see. I just apply a bit more as a blush. That actually has like a really, well, we'll let my natural flushing from rubbing it kind of tone down a bit. It's very subtle. There's something, the products are so hard to describe. It blends out a lot and it's not super pigmented, so it's sheer. But I feel like it gives this kind of rosy, plummy, like a dark rose, a plummy type of sheen, not a sheen, but a finish to it. I don't know how to describe this. Very creamy, feels like it would be moisturizing. Just look, because I have no words to describe. I'm glad I got it though. Let's see if we can create an eye look here. Wow, this is really creamy. Focus. All of the products have a kind of lavender scent to them. I'm not a huge fan of floral scents, particularly lavender, but I know that, yeah, so the last ingredient is lavender oil, but it's just kind of a tiny bit strong for me because it is one of those very strong type of oils. But I know that lavender is antibacterial and very good for the skin. It really does come off as like this super dark plum. I feel like in general, Rituel's products are a bit too creamy and moisturizing for me in general. For my combination oily skin and very oily eyelids. So generally I have liked their lipsticks a lot, and that's what I've been mostly interested in. But I do love using their color as, or their really gorgeously shimmery products as a highlight where it doesn't matter if it's a bit more moisturizing. Okay, now that I've done that, whatever this is, I don't know, we're gonna find out as we go along here. This is the next product. It is their Ash and Ember Eye Soot in the color Divinous. I got just a really nice everyday type of color. I thought it might be, to see how it might wear on my eyes on an everyday type of basis, and to see if it will stay okay, like if I just do a light wash of this, if it'll be something that's really simple for me to do. That is what is really nice about cream eyeshadows and products like that. Their packaging is a bit of an optical illusion, just so you know, and they do show this on their website. They're not trying to trick you, but I just thought I would point out they look like this, but when you tilt it up, you can see what is actually the amount of product that you get. It looks like a really beautiful peachy gold color. So here, let me try and finish this eye look. So it is definitely a gold. It's not too yellow, not too orange, not too bronze, kind of a nice mid-mix. But I'm quite happy with that. I think that will be a good kind of everyday type of color. So since it's me and I can't leave this look unfinished, I'm gonna go ahead to finish it just by adding the Eclipse as a light eyeliner. And I think that looks pretty cool. What do you guys think? Do you like the look that I made? If you do, go ahead and give this video a like. I really appreciate it. Now I'm super excited because honestly, this is getting into my favorite products here. These last two products are from their Forbidden Lipstick collection. This first one is called Night Wanderer. This is a shimmer, a dark shimmery purple. So again, that's a really beautiful, deep plummy color. Man, have I been obsessed with dark lipsticks lately or what? You can check out my last video in that playlist I was talking about from the All Natural Face. I got a black lipstick from them. I really love this color, actually. Oh, boy, I mean, I feel vampy. I really love it. It's a beautiful, very dark plum purple. It actually matches the Eclipse really well. Absolutely beautiful. So moving on to the last product from this box, and it is in the color Conjurer. Also really excited. I feel like I got really good fall colors. Oh yeah. Oh, that's very creamy and pigmented though. That is very different than it looked on the website. It looked like a very dusty plum, like a light dusty plum color, like your grandma's going out at night type of color in the 20s. So this is a much warmer plum color. I would almost call it like a brown, like a mauve, however you want to say it. Okay. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about this one. Could just be that the particular like eyeshadow I have going on right now isn't super flattering for this like warmer color. I feel like I would really like this for a particular look. It actually, it very much reminds me of like a 90s burgundy color. It's very 90s. Yeah, kind of that like brownish, plummy, reddish color. So this is fun. We'll do something with that later. So don't forget to subscribe because we'll be seeing more fun videos like that and fun looks coming up. And these are all the products. I am very happy with the quality of it. I wish Conjurer was more like what it looked like, almost like a dusty lavender type of color on the website. I wish that it had looked more like that. But this is something different. Something that will force me to try some different looks and maybe, you know, be a little nostalgic into the 90s. There is Eclipse Inner Glow Eye Cream, Forbidden Lipstick in Conjurer, Divinous Ashen Ember Eye Soot, and Night Wanderer Forbidden Lipstick. Really happy that I got to experience these products and that I got to get them at a time when I could actually afford them, because this is a more high-end company, but I do feel like, and I wouldn't be recommending them here on this channel unless I really felt like it was worth the price. If you can afford it, it is worth it, because the products are really glorious. Good quality, great application, and absolutely beautiful on the inside and the out. So thank you so very much for watching. This was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did, and I will see you in the next video.